Merry Christmas, everybody. Hope you're all doing really good. Today, I'm going to be giving away a pair of these Bluetooth smart earbuds. These were designed by Hobbs Telecom in Kentucky. Brandon is a fellow repairer who also sells phone accessories. I'm not much of an audiophile, nor do I know squat about earbuds. I've never used AirPods or anything, but I have been using a pair of these now for a few weeks, and I really like them. It says here that they have an IPX7 waterproof rating, swimming, jogging, biking, made for an active lifestyle. Although I have never actually went swimming with them, I don't think I would dare try that. Premium chipset for high-end audio, same chipset and $250 pair of earbuds. You know, I could cut them open and check, but I don't want to cut open my earbuds. Comfort fit, 4 different tips for any ear size, so it doesn't matter how big your ears are, and up to 30 hours of battery life. They actually come in a really nice box, so let's open it up and see what we got inside. We'll just slide this right on up off of here. Huh, we actually got a little bit of suction. So inside here, we have got our charging case, and inside we have our earbuds. We've got our left and right. Who in their right mind makes the left ear speaker red? That's kind of strange. Now on the front of here, we've got an indicator that shows whether or not the lid's open. And we've also got a battery charging indicator for the left and right side. Here's our left battery level, and here's our right battery level. Now when you open these things, they automatically connect to Bluetooth. So as soon as I open my pair of these, it's automatically connected to my phone and playing music right where I left off. The earbuds are magnetic, so they stick in the case here. Now I have seen a lot of these things for sale, like on Amazon for $20 and stuff like that. Brandon is saying that the difference in his earbuds and the difference between the really cheap earbuds is that these are using the same chipset as like Bose, and I can't argue because I don't know anything about earbuds, but they do sound really good. I mean, I actually really like them. Now also inside the box here, we've got this other little box, and inside of this other little box, we have a USB-C charging cable. We have some replacement ear gaskets just in case you got like big fat ears or tiny little ears. So also inside the box here, we've got this little USB OTG. This is so that we can convert from a standard size USB cable and actually be able to connect to the charge port on this thing, which is USB-C. This enables this to be used as like a portable power bank. So we're actually charging my iPhone with this. And when I plug this thing in, it actually lit up, but there's no current indicator or anything. So that's pretty handy. And then also, if you don't want to use the OTG, since it is USB-C, we can connect it right up to another USB-C device. And there we go. I'm now using it to charge my Flare camera. I don't think that I'll ever actually use it as a wireless charging case. I've never liked those things. I just use it for playing music. On the side, these are actually touch activated buttons. These work for volume up, volume down, track forward, track backward. And then also you can like double or triple tap and get access to Siri to be able to control your music if you were an iPhone user. But these also work with Android because they're just standard Bluetooth earbuds. So they'll actually work just like one at a time. You can put one of them in your ear, which I do pretty often, or you can put 2 of them in your ear. And there you go, you got full immersive audio. Actually sounds pretty good. Here you listen. Yeah, how about that? So I'm not being paid to say any of this. Brandon sent me a pair of these to try out, and I really like them. And I've got an extra pair here that I would like to give away for free. If you would like to purchase these, they are available on his Shopify website. It is hobbs-telecom.myshopify.com. I will link that in the description below. And I would like to give a pair of these away to somebody in my audience. Now, I've only got 1 pair to give away. So if you are interested in these and you would like me to ship them to you for free, please leave a comment below with the word Hobbs, H-O-B-B-S. And what I'm going to do is just pick a random comment out of the comments. And after that, we'll communicate your address and I will ship these to you free of charge. So that's all there is to it. Just a Merry Christmas gift from Hobbs Telecom to you and me sort of helping Brandon try to get his name out there. So that's it for now, everybody. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.